Welcome to T3chNecks Video Game Tip Corner. There's a lot of people that ask me, like, how are you so good at video games? How have you gotten to the level that you are of the high rank in Overwatch and Plat? It's simply you got to have a good mouse to start off with. BenQ Zowie S1. Also, modified the HyperGlides. So that's the first thing you want to do is get some better skates on the feet of your mouse. Now, the other trick that I've found, it's a cheap modification, but you want to go out and get a bucket of Kentucky Fried Chicken. You want to make sure it's later in the day so it's been really sitting there, seeping in the grease for a while. And you just want to liberally apply the KFC grease all across the HyperGlides. And when you can hear it, you can hear the difference. Like, see, no noise. And that's what really makes the difference here. You want it to glisten really, really nice and good. Can you see that, camera guy? Are you getting that? The real good glisten of the KFC grease directly on the HyperGlides. That's all for today's Tech Corner with T3chNecks. Join me next week when we submerge a keyboard in a Wendy's deep fat fryer. Bye-bye.